Hello and welcome to this channel where I talk about trading in the crypto market. I am going to show you guys how I enter these trades, what I look for before entering the trades, and most importantly, some of the rules that I never break. Today's video, and so today we are going to be talking about another one of the daily updates on BTC. We will be checking out price movement and price prediction on where I will be seeing price in the next few hours or days. So taking a look at price right now, as you can see, there's not much, but like I said before, of course it's not going to be carbon copy, but if we copy, I'm going to be copying this whole thing. Before there was a little spike, it went down, spike, something like that, and then this specific part, I predicted that it's going to go down and then it's going to shoot up, right? But remember what I always say, this never plays out. This whole thing, this specific price movement, let's just focus on this way, give me this, never plays out exactly like this, but I will show you in a bit it actually did. Because look, when let me just use this one instead. So when price came down, of course maybe it came until here only. What, you expect me to get perfect? It's impossible. And then price maybe was trading something like that, but it did come up like that, right? So it was coming back up. So what I'm trying to say is, it's almost impossible to always get things on the dot, but what you can do is, and what you cannot just dwell over the things you can't control, but also look at the things you can, by maybe trimming down your possibilities of gains, by maybe risk managing your profits, your losses, your leverage positions, your size positions. Like, these are all things everyone must take into account before entering trades, and everyone must be able to understand how to do this, because it's one of the more basic and must understand things to do before entering trades. Anyway, so we're in this specific part. Yeah, so it did test. I mean, it already worked out the way I wanted it to do. Wait, let's get rid of this and this. Okay, so this specific box was the more recent one here. As you can see, it tested in here, which would mean, yeah, it's gonna be crazy, but this is gonna be the next box. Don't worry about that, we'll see, we'll talk about this later. It is a arguably very big box. Yeah, so with that being said, this is already your gains. Let's say if you entered from here, this would have been a 2 ratio, but no, we put it down here, so it would have been 1.75, but yeah, we would have only gone for a 1.5 and we're out. I did enter this trade, but I partialed out. I didn't go all out. Of course, this is gonna be big bucks. We are gonna leave this here just because we know this is big on time frame, but we are going to be marking down the next big sell, which would mean that price actually broke out. I'm gonna expect price to come maybe somewhere here in this area. Then I'm gonna expect it to go up a little bit more. That's definitely what I'm seeing for BTC. We are definitely on the uptrend, and I can't wait to see where this is gonna be going. Can you imagine, what was this? Like 10 days ago we were at 25k, now we're at 30k. Yeah, so with that being said, yeah, I think that's about it. And then we can go to Ethereum. So with ETH, yeah, price is definitely looking a little bit weird at the moment. I don't know what to expect, but here there's no actual price break. So with that, I don't really know where do I expect price to go. But like, I guess what we can do is we can definitely just take a look at, I mean, this still stands. I guess, yeah, we just confirm whether or not it stands. If it still stands, then we're definitely just going to be remaining in this area. And then let's look at Solana. So with Solana, yeah, it's still in that same area as well. So it's basically only Bitcoin at the moment. Everything else is not moving as much as we would like, that's for sure. there's not much updates to do for today. I just want to give you guys a quick little guide on how actually you guys should be looking at trades, because more than actually knowing when to enter or what, you should know and understand, of course, like, why are you entering. You must have a proper setup. There's a lot of things you must understand. Of course, when to enter, when to exit, when to partial, all these things of course are very important, but there are a lot more other important things that you guys must understand, because trading is a lifestyle. Trading is a system that if you break, it will have condescending consequences that you will end up facing long term. So I would suggest, even if you take a loss, take it strong, no stress, because losses are very common, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, so that's about it. So I hope I will be seeing you guys in the next video. Do leave in the comments what you guys want me to talk about. Like and subscribe, of course, if you did, and I'll see you guys in the next one.